Uh-oh.
We let the magic smoke out.
Uh-oh.
I remember this. We need a battery cable in.
Murphy, hey, come here. Kind of dicey there for a second. So what now? You're all done for the year then, I suppose, huh?
Nope.
What?
We got corn to do.
Oh shit, that's right. There's still corn out there. No! No! I was hoping you're gonna shoot the coffee can off.
Yeah. We're gonna cheat and open the compression releases right off.
Uh-oh.
We let the magic smoke out.
Uh-oh.
I remember this. We need a battery cable in.
along nicely.
Those are coming along nicely.
Murph, where are you? Murph. Everybody, well, John finished up with bean harvest last week, which just leaves us with just a little bit of corn left. So we're gonna fire up the old G and get the corn picker greased up, and we're gonna pick some corn today. We'll see how that goes. It should be relatively smooth, but who knows. So we're gonna get this thing pulled up to the shed, get it greased up, and then put it to the corn.
Well, that's dumb.
Well, folks, we had the episode all planned out. We were gonna go pick corn, but
We gotta go to town and get gas.
we ain't got no gas in it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode this week. Here's my question for all you guys this week. How long have you been farming? We are currently on the hunt for gas cans. We're gonna make a run to town and get some gas so we can go pick corn today. So we'll meet back up with you guys here after a while, after we've been to town and back and gotten some gas. Wow, that was the quickest trip to town ever for gas.
Better hang on to the gas can. These things are known to suck them in.
We thought we were gonna have to run to town for gas, but John dug around enough and found one near the house.
Because apparently we've been out of gas.
Yeah.
Nobody's informed me.
No. But hopefully this will be enough to get us started.
Should hopefully be enough to do it all.
Hopefully.
With what's in there.
We shall find out. Well, after you're done fueling up, then you gotta grease up and away you go, huh?
Yep.
Where's the wagon? Where's the wagon? Oh, okay. We'll go get the wagon after we're done greasing up.
Just hang out there, little buddy. We're gonna get Burl off.
Yeah, put Verl to work.
Yep.
You guys remember Verl, don't you?
Little dog?
Or the battery charger, one of the two.
Ain't got no power.
All right, Verl, hut to it.
He can't when he doesn't have power.
Oh.
Now Verl's doing something. Okay. Now I need gloves.
Gloves and grease. Oh, you're talking to the dog, not me. Now, what model corn picker is this, John?
It's number 18 John Deere.
From when about would that have been a thing?
I don't know.
50s, 60s?
50s, 60s, yeah, that's a later one. I know there's some here. There's a grease here. I know there is. Oh, for the love of God. Better be good. No. Picking corn. Picking corn. Yep. So what did you break today? Alright, bye. Yeah, no, he's fucked. If you could tell.
I was picking up on it as you were talking there.
Do not stack 2 fiber discs and a slip clutch together unless it's the last resort.
And has that been done already?
Nope, but it's gonna be.
Nope.
That's right, we're gonna need the T-Rex tape. I forgot about this hole. We can't have all our profits going down on the ground, going out in the field. Murphy, go get the tape. Now you just keep walking in circles and looking for grease tricks.
You never know when you're going to see one.
They're everywhere. Grab my feet and pull me out, John. That should be about all of them, actually.
We were a ways in there.
I was ways in there. I should about do it. Got a couple that I missed last year.
This better be good.
They're calling for parts now, Dylan.
This better be good.
Now I gotta put some oil in the tractor.
Metric adjustable. About yay big.
Oh, like seat flap?
Yeah.
I don't know. 3/4 maybe?
15, 16s.
We'll start with a 13/16. See where that gets us. Just right.
Dumping full synthetic in.
Yep. Green stuff.
Oh, this is the bubblegum green. Is this that barrel?
Yeah. PTO runs the PTO pump, so when the hydraulic pump, so when the PTO is running, if there's no oil, you wreck the pump.
Sweet. Oopsies.
We're gonna need to pack a cooler for this one. While you're riding on the four-wheeler.
Oh, we'll pack a cooler.
Dylan, parts manager Dylan. We need a belt.
Oh. Yeah,
Think she'll make the day?
If I can get you to write down the model, serial number, and
It's right here. Dylan, I don't know if that belt's gonna make the day.
just do what you did on the combine head, where you just roll it around on the pulley so it hides it. Oh God, there's a good chunk missing out of that thing.
It's been like that since I bought it.
I won't worry about it. We're still gonna put it to the corn.
It's just for the blower.
Oh. We're still gonna put it to the corn.
Yep.
That's not T-Rex tape.
It was T-Rex tape, but
you chimped out, didn't you?
No, it was T-Rex tape. The center got wet. The center fell on. Oh shit.
That's a good throw, though. I'll give you that.
I'm gonna take the road all the way down and come in.
Yep.
I'm gonna run it.
should. Oh, this is boring. Something needs a break. Or run out of gas. Did you get him?
Yep. We getting anything?
Something. There's corn in there. A big lump of knobs.
Stuff's kind of too wet to be good. We're gonna have to wait. Half the stuff is too wet.
Too wet to do? Okay. Ooh.
I'm gonna have to spread this out. It'll dry in here.
You know, to spread it out. Oh, yeah, that's some wet stuff. I thought for sure it would have been ready to go.
We can't have this stuff molding.
No.
We got a little bit.
Yeah. Alright. Well, folks, corn's a little too wet to do. Back to the yard we go until we come up with another plan for the evening. We got bamboozled. We got bamboozled by moist corn.
Wet corn.
A wet lump of knobs.
This fucker needs a bath.
The birds don't like it. They shit all over it. It's the wrong color. I deal with this at work. Birds shit all over everything that's red. They leave the green stuff alone.
You get this start?
Better.
My button.
Okay, since our plans got foiled by moist corn, we are turning our attention to cleaning out John's shed the rest of the way. We got the 806 running, an extra set of hands. So we're gonna see how much more of that shed we can get cleaned out since we can't do the corn today. It's a little too wet, but we got shed to do. These gosh darn farmers, they just think that they own the road. Did she find road gear?
Oh wait, you're gonna fall off.
I've had to pick them up before.
Stay out of road gear. Stay out of road gear.
Does yours have a ride in
Take it easy out of the shed.
Say it has the Tractor Trick stickers on it. I drove this one of those years, didn't I?
Yep.
You got a flat tire.
I've got 2 low tires.
Can I at least put it in low too?
I thought you said high at 1. Fine.
All right, bye, John.
Let me know when you're home.
we will go let the kids have their fun. I don't know what's happening. We'll just stay up here. He's got to come back for more. There's still 2 more tractors in there, but this one has working brakes.
What are we doing today?
At this point, I don't freaking know. We've done so much today, we should just retire.
I don't know what we're doing at this point today anymore anyway.
No. Started out as old tractor stuff is how this channel started, and now we've gotten to just a straight up farmyard shenanigans.
We're going to get back to old tractor stuff here as soon as the snowballs fly.
Yep. But for now, we're going to keep trying to do stuff outside.
Yep.
While the sun's shining.
We attempted picking corn today.
Tried that. Too wet.
And then we started cleaning out the shed.
We made it this far to the shed.
And got this tractor, and then it was too much work to haul air up to fill air in the other tractor tires. So we decided we're going to do a will it run now.
Yep.
I drove this tractor in the shed.
How many years ago?
6
years ago?
or so. Then there's varnish, and the gas smells like varnish.
So you got a 2015 Tractor Trick sticker on it.
Nah, it's run since then, I think. It has to have. It's run since then, 2015.
I drove it for a Tractor Trick back in the day.
So, I got a battery on boil.
Seen that.
Well, I'll grab that and we'll file the points and
See if it goes boom.
we'll see what happens. We should probably check the oil.
What's in there? We probably should check the oil.
Should check the oil. You do that while I get the battery. Antifreeze in it.
Oh yeah, you don't got a grip.
We need a little oil.
Yep, you don't got a drip coming out at all. I gotta turn it all the way out.
Well, we'll see if it turns over. Big negatory there, Ghost Rider.
You popped the engine loose out of the shed, didn't you?
Yep. No, the end is loose. I remember I was having some electrical issues with this tractor. Oh god, if I gotta take that button off on the bottom, I'm gonna be pissed. That sucks. You gotta take the starter out. Come on, little buddy. Battery can't be bad, get it?
Oh, it was just set to boil. Or did you put the battery charger on broil?
I said it's warm.
Oh. So we could be fighting battery. We just had set to keep warm.
No, we've got good battery.
Okay, so then we got electrical issues.
I know what that means. I gotta take the starter down.
Bad news bears.
Come on.
Is it just a PTO shaft and a pin? We could belt start it on the G.
Well, we could do that. But it's electric start. We could do that. Do we got power at the points? See, Dylan, I like your improvise, your thoughts here.
I input some good ones every once in a great while. Ooh.
Ooh. We got juice at the points.
Okay, so the G is
Get
getting
the belt.
on.
Get the belt.
Get the belt.
I
get the
ain't
G.
taking the starter out today.
Nope. But we should put some oil in it.
We do need oil. Yep.
We should put some oil in it.
Then we do need to roll it backwards by hand.
Yep.
So we'll set you fine folks down.
Actually, they're gonna watch because they're on tripod mode right now.
Yep. Hey, I found my missing pliers and side cutters. And a pry bar.
I'm looking for those.
This is all good stuff. And you want the right tire or the left tire? I'll choose this one. Straight back all the way to the D. It's all downhill from here. Why don't we just go get the dog?
Too late. We're committed.
I have another. You get the belt?
Where's the
Do
belt?
I have another running 2-cylinder that I have to take on up?
No. There's an old D across the road. Where's the belt?
Get the belt.
In the shed?
Yep.
what the heck is this thing?
Very pissed off John Deere. There we go. It'll be interesting. I've never built this truck. When I got her firing up this thing.
How in the hell are you going to belt that?
You know, I was gonna go get the deed,
I mentioned the deal.
and then I made it that far, and I
Looked in the shed, didn't you?
we don't need a twist. This one runs backwards.
Make sure our brakes are locked in. Huh. Keep in mind, we still have to put oil in the 60.
Yeah, I want to see if this is a crack. Oh no, we do have to put a twist in. I think. Go hit the clutch once, Dylan. Yep. Okay, yeah, you were thinking ahead.
It's easier to do it on this one than that one.
Feel good to track. It'll work. Engine on.
Engine oil.
Right now.
I cannot say I've seen an under the belt under the seat belted tractor M starting procedure.
Makes things more interesting.
This thing is gonna reek like old gas if it fires. Bad.
Oh, it's gonna be bad. Now we got the oil in it to make Dylan happy.
Well, I don't want to hurt nothing.
No. We're gonna give it the coin steel old pry-bar file. Rusty pry-bar file. Get the green schmoo off of them.
And the old manifold file. I like this tractor back in the day. I used to drive this one a lot.
And it really hasn't done anything since you drove it.
This is kind of my go-to tractor on the property. Whoa.
We're getting questionable gas in.
Ooh, wee, is that smell? Wow.
Don't worry about that.
That's heavy on the questionable, isn't it?
We're going to be varnishing later, Dylan. Whoa.
Get the barnwood, we got varnish.
That's supposed to stay in the carburetor bowl.
Oh.
ordering a carburetor. A rebuilt carburetor.
We've been varnished.
And this is supposed to be in bold.
Yeah, that. There's also that.
They've been bamboozled. Yet again, another reason don't let all your tractors sit. Hi.
We've been what?
We've been bamboozled again.
Carburetor.
Again. But this one we couldn't make run. And I don't know much about those carburetors.
The A ran.
This one won't run.
No, but at the time the A did want to make a noise.
You gonna pay me back so I can order a new one?
Yep.
This winter I'll have to order a rebuilt one for this tractor.
And I'm sure when you order it in, it'll be laying on the table next to the A one.
But anyway.
The A and the 60.
Oh, I got the kit for the A. It's on the table in the house.
Right. Yeah. But two tractors that we pulled out. And we got bamboozled. Well, the one ran terrible, but it ran.
If I would have screwed the bung up on the carburetor, I would have.
Yeah, that's when you pulled it out and you're like, this is supposed to stay with the carburetor.
I could solder it. If I took the bowl off, I could solder it back in this. But I think I'm just gonna order a rebuilt one. And then, oh yeah, that's right. This tractor needs manifold gaskets too. But anyway, that's probably where we're gonna be.
That's probably what we'll end the episode. We've gone this far. We've jumped all over the place from picking corn to pulling tractors out.
We failed at everything.
To will it run? Yeah, we're just gonna give up at this point and just call it a day.
And go eat a donut.
Yes.
There's somebody taunting us in the background with donuts.
Anyway, we appreciate you guys watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel.
Or don't.
Please do. We made it over 500 subscribers now, finally, so that feels nice and good.
And I stink.
You do stink. You smell lovely. You smell like the varnish section of Home Depot right now. Well, we appreciate you guys watching, liking, and subscribing. Oh, wow! You stink. You need a shower. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, liking, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Or not.
Yes, we will.